If you're ever wondering how to get to the oil pressure switch on a 6.2 Chevrolet, you can't do it with the intake on. This is a 2014 6.2 GMC Denali Yukon XL, whatever the heck you want to call it. Anyways, disconnect the connectors off of the top of the intake. There was this guy here, this clamp. There is a bracket right up there that goes on the top. It holds the wires down as well as holds the plastic cover on. Disconnect the fuel line. That is a 3/8. Disconnect the fuel injectors. Disconnect the alternator wires. The hot's over there. Remove the tube that goes to the front of the intake. And this should be what you have left. Connector there, 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 there. Here's where that hold down bracket is. If you look here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on, I believe both sides, yes. The intake was fairly easy to get off. The hardest part was getting the wiring harness off. But disconnect the fuel line, disconnect the injector wires, disconnect the wiring harness and electrical connectors off the top, and said vacuum line on the back, and it comes right out.